Welcome to InstaClass, the online platform for live and interactive learning. If you're a new user, you can register here as a student or as a parent. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in here. This is your profile page. It contains the information about your study preferences, the subjects, programs that you want to learn. You can even suggest courses so that InstaClass Educational Department provide an offer. You can also have a look at your pending classes page. These are the classes that are yet waiting for the tutor's confirmation. You can also look at your previous classes page, where you can download materials and even look at the class recordings. And finally, you can look at your upcoming classes page. It contains the classes that are confirmed and scheduled, but you can only join on time.